Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites: a Google account, a compatible device, and secure screen lock. Open Google Wallet and tap Add Payment Method. Choose card or bank, then follow camera or manual entry to input details. Once done, verify the card using the bank's OTP or small charge code so Google trusts it. Make sure billing address matches your bank records. This prevents declines. You're now ready to link methods before moving to merchant checkout. You'll encounter Google Wallet at online checkout as Pay with Google or Wallet icon. Tap it, then choose the card, bank account, or balance you want to use. This is where you can switch payment or shipping details. Once chosen, review order total, shipping, and tax. Adjustments here affect final authorization. When everything looks right, authorize the payment with your fingerprint, face, or device PIN. This completes the transaction securely and signals the merchant to process your order. After payment, you should see immediate confirmation in Wallet and an email receipt from the merchant. This proves completion. If a charge is declined, make sure the card details, billing address, and available balance are correct, then retry. If problems persist, remove and re-add the card or contact your bank to clear blocks or fraud flags. As a troubleshooting tip, clear the merchant app cache or try another browser. Sometimes cached data causes tokenization failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.